Hello everyone, I'm Chinthan from Triple E branch. I'm going to explain you about the enhancing energy, exploring the potential of sun reflective paints. Introduction about this topic is welcome to the presentation of enhancing energy efficiency through the use of sun reflective paint. Today we will explore the potential of this paint in reducing cooling costs and improving sustainability. Join us. We delve into the benefits, applications, and further prospects of this innovative technology. Sun reflective paints, also known as cool paints or solar reflective coating, are specially formulated to reflect a significant portion of sun's heat and radiation. This paint utilizes advanced pigments and additives that enhance their reflective properties by reducing the absorption of solar energy. They can help lower the temperature of a building, the reduce the needs of air condition. Advantages of enhancing energy efficiency, exploring the potential of sun reflective paint. The use of reflective paints offers numerous benefits. Firstly, they can significantly reduce cooling costs by minimizing the heat absorption by building. Secondly, they contribute to and main more comfortable indoor environment by reducing the heat need of exclusive air conditioning. Additionally, this paint can help migrate the urban heat in slide Iceland effect and contribute to overall energy conversion of sustainability. Applications of sun reflective paints. Sun reflective paints find applications in various sectors. They are commonly used in commercial and residential building to reduce more energy consumption and enhance comfort. Moreover, they can be applied to roofs, walls, and pavements, providing a versatile solution for different surfaces. Additionally, these paints have been successfully used in infrastructure projects such as bridges and highways to mitigate temperature-related issues. So here my presentation will be going to end. Thank you.